Welcome to a video tutorial of your Independent Support Services participant web portal. In this video, you'll see your participant dashboard. You'll learn how to download your budget summary, how to download your documents, how to view your habilitation plan, and how to retrieve your integrated timesheets. Your integrated timesheets will be available as soon as all appropriate steps have been completed by your broker and MSC. Please note that this video assumes you have already successfully logged into the Independent Support Services participant web portal. If you need help with your initial login or password setup, please view the video entitled ISS Participant Web Portal Logins. We're going to open up a browser and direct it to https://participant.issny.org. We've provided the system with our credentials, our email, and our password, which we set up on our initial login. Once the system has validated those credentials, it's going to bring us to our main dashboard screen. I'd like to point out a few key options available to you from this screen. In the upper left-hand corner is the Home button. Clicking this will always return you to this page from anywhere in the portal. Next is the Help button. The Help button will provide contextual help specific to whatever page you are on. And in the upper right-hand corner is the Contact icon. Clicking on this will allow you to do several things, such as changing your password or logging out of the web portal. In the middle of the dashboard area is the header information for the dashboard. In our case, we can see that we're looking at a plan for Thomas Thompson that started on 7/1 in the amount of $70,719. We have a variety of buttons specific to our plan. Usually in the lower left-hand corner, you will see recent timesheets. As soon as you start receiving timesheets for support staff, they will show up here and will be available for review for you to see the hours worked and the billable hours associated with those hours worked per time frame. If more than 3 exist, you'll be able to look at the entire list of them by clicking the View All Timesheets button. In the lower right-hand corner, you usually see recent documents. In this case, we see 3 recent documents. If we had more documents, we would be able to view all of them by clicking the View All Documents button. Okay, the first thing I'd like to teach you is how to download your budget summary. Once you have logged into the participant web portal, your budget summary will always be available in the center gray section by clicking the button called Budget Summary. If I click that button, the system will retrieve and present a PDF of the budget summary current within a few days. This PDF can be printed, saved, or emailed from this location. Please note that clicking on the Budget Summary button will always provide the most current budget summary. Budget summaries for prior plan years or for prior amendments will be located in the All Documents section. The next thing I'd like to explain is how to download documents. As I said previously, your 3 most recent documents will be in this lower right-hand portal. If the document you're looking for is here, simply clicking the Download button will download the document and present it to you. In this case, this is that same budget summary document that we were looking at before. If, however, you have more than 3 documents, you can always click the View All Documents and you will receive a list of all documents associated with your plan. In our case, we only have 3, but this could support hundreds of documents. They'll be broken down by section. You will see things such as expenses, receipts, timesheets, program documents, etc., all located in this area. The next thing I'd like to show you is how to view your habilitation plan. Your habilitation plan will either be yellow or green depending on its status as set up by your support broker. If your habilitation plan is yellow, then your support broker still has actions to take to complete your habilitation plan in the system. If it is green, the actions have been completed. Clicking this button will bring you into the habilitation plan and allow you to view the outcomes, the safeguards, and the various support staff rates and classes. In our case, we can see that there is one line of ComHab, there is no respite, there is no supported employment. Under that ComHab line, we can see that there are outcomes. And for each outcome, if we click the support button, we can view the supports that our broker has put in for us. If we'd like to review safeguards, we can click the Safeguards button in the left-hand side, and we can see that our broker has specified the safeguards that are appropriate, and we can view the verbiage provided by the broker by clicking on the Details button. Once the broker has completed the HAB plan, the system will automatically generate that HAB plan into a PDF. That HAB plan PDF will be one of the documents available for download in your document section. In this case, it's right here. Clicking the download button allows us to see and review our habilitation plan. Finally, if the broker has completed the habilitation plan and ISS has received the habilitation plan back from the MSC in its final form, we will create the consolidated timesheet associated with that habilitation plan. Those timesheets will be available as documents for download in your documents section. In our case, we see a consolidated timesheet for ComHab, and that consolidated timesheet has our outcomes, has our supports, and has the ability to record both time and billable status on one document. All right, this has been a brief overview of your participant web portal. Thank you for watching.